Normally when I work on content or projects, I end up using multiple apps for everything. One for presentations, another for research, another for design, and another for video editing. But today I'm testing AnyGen, an AI workspace that combines all of these tools into one platform. So in this video, I'm going to test. For this project, I'm building a complete AI creator workflow, a presentation, a research report, a thumbnail, and a short promo video, all inside the same workspace. So let's start with the presentation. Normally this part takes me a while because I have to organize ideas, structure the slides, and design everything manually. Here's the starting point. Just random notes and ideas. AnyGen automatically creates the structure and first draft in seconds. So instead of starting from zero, I already have sections, layouts, titles, and content ideas. And what's important is that these are fully editable slides. F1 edit text or move elements around, the changes apply instantly. And yes, you can export it as a real PPTX file and continue editing it normally. Normally setting up a deck structure takes me a while, but here the outline and first version are generated almost instantly, so I can focus more on refining instead of starting from scratch. Now, let's create the research report for the same project. Instead of random AI text, AnyGen builds an organized report structure automatically. You get summaries, organized sections, charts, and conclusions already structured. And one of the strongest parts here is the source visibility. You can actually verify where the information comes from. It also generates charts with visible labels and organized data automatically. So, instead of collecting research and formatting everything manually, the workflow becomes much faster and easier to review. Now, let's create the thumbnail for the project. This is the first AI-generated version. But instead of stopping there, I can refine everything directly inside the workspace. So this feels more like an editable creative workflow instead of a basic image generator. And this is another good example of the workflow loop. Generate gives refine, gives finalize. And this is where the platform becomes really powerful. Because at this point, you're not just generating random AI clips anymore. You're building a complete production pipeline from start to finish. Normally, creating something like this would require multiple different tools. One app for image generation, another one for video creation, a separate editor for transitions and effects, and maybe even another software just for subtitles and audio syncing. But here, everything is connected in one single workspace. I can generate scenes, drag them directly into the timeline, organize the shots, trim the clips, add transitions, and preview the final result instantly. And honestly, that changes the entire workflow. Instead of constantly exporting and importing files between different programs, the entire creative process stays fast and uninterrupted. I can even sync scenes directly to the music beat, so the final video feels way more cinematic and professional. And the text tools are actually impressive. Captions, animated titles, subtitles, motion graphics, a lot of it can be generated automatically. That alone can save hours of editing time. The AI can also help organize scenes, detect cuts, and speed up the editing process automatically. So instead of spending hours doing repetitive tasks, you can focus more on creativity and storytelling. And when you compare the raw generated clips to the final edited version, the difference is huge. It genuinely feels like using a complete AI-powered creative studio, not just another AI video generator. And once everything is finished, you can export it directly for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or even full cinematic widescreen videos. And the craziest part, this entire project was created in just a few minutes. And now let's see the edit he make this AI. But first I show you the original video, and after I see what edit has make the AI. And now, before you see the original video, let's go to see the AI video. So after testing it, I think the biggest value of AnyGen isn't just that it has presentation, research, design, and video tools. It's that the workflow stays connected from generation to editing to export. If you want to test this workflow yourself, I'll leave the AnyGen link in the description so you can try building your own presentation, report, design, or short video workflow. And subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials.